Hey guys, I'm Shirlz. Welcome to my Dazzled Nails channel, and today we're going to be comparing blooming gel with a base coat, and we're going to see if one outperforms the other, if they both do the same job, and see what our results are. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so we're going to be comparing the gelish blooming gel to Beetle's base coat, and we're going to see if they both do the same job. Okay, so to get started, we're going to take some basic white. We're going to cover each nail evenly with just a white. We want a nice even coat over each one. Okay, and to paint these, I used the Beetle's white. Okay, so let's cook each for 10 seconds. Okay, now that we have both of our nails completely covered and smooth, what we are going to start with is we're going to start with the blooming gel. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to draw the rose on the top here with the blooming gel. Now I do know that with blooming gel you really have to watch it because it'll really run away from you very quickly. So you have to make sure you get it in the lamp if you don't want it to spread any more than it has. Okay, so we're just going to finish this up real quick here. And like that, like that. Maybe make a little bit more here so you can actually see what's going on. Okay, and we're going to cook that for 10 seconds. And now we are going to be using the Beetle's foundation base coat, and we're going to completely cover the nail so it's nice and even, just like what we did with the blooming gel. Nice and even. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to create a rose here on the top. Just like that. Okay. And as you can see, it's already beginning to work, just like the blooming gel did. Okay. Like that. And we'll just finish this up here at the bottom and at the top. Okay, and we are going to cook this for 10 seconds as well. And here are the two, the blooming gel and the base coat. So it looks like they both do an equally great job. It just seems like the blooming gel spread out a whole lot faster than the base did. So depending on your design, if you're wanting like a little more details in the rose, you probably want to go with the base coat. But if you're creating designs, color splashes, then you would want to go with the blooming gel. It really depends on what your taste is going to be, but as we can see from the results, they both did a spectacular job, and either way you're going to come out on top. You can't go wrong using either one with these. And I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this interesting, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.